Are you feeling overwhelmed by mental stress, anxiety, or restlessness? Do you find it hard to concentrate on your studies, work, or even your family? If you're battling negative thoughts, fears, or emotional turmoil, the Nirmal Chetna Kundalini Shakti Jagran Yoga Divya Utkarsh workshop is here to help. In just 3 transformative days, under the expert guidance of Acharya Shri Rajiv Ji, experienced great disciple of Mother Nirmala Mataji, founder of Sahaj Yog Kundalini Awakening, and Dr. Surendra Singh Vir, psychosomatic well-being spiritual health specialist, you will learn powerful techniques to awaken your Kundalini energy. This 3-day workshop is designed to bring you relief from mental depression, enhance your focus, and help you understand the true purpose of life. Experience the divine Kundalini awakening and 7 chakras. Join us at Shri Nirmal Chetna Kundalini Shakti Yoga Peeth in Dehradun, Uttarakhand, and take the first step towards a healthier, more balanced you. For more information, contact us on WhatsApp at 898-983-2149. Don't let stress control your life, embrace the change you deserve.